Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities. But before proceeding further in the video, make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed the channel till now. The channel will be helpful for you, and also if you're subscribing, if you're showing the support, it will motivate me as well to make more such content for you. So make sure to subscribe the channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link is provided in the description itself. Well, talking about our first opportunity, that is from EPAM. So EPAM India Test Automation Engineer. So they are hiring, and this opportunity is for 2020 and 2021 graduates only. They have clearly specified. So this is phase 2 hiring. Phase 1 has already been done, and we already uploaded video regarding phase 1. So that has been completed. Cool. So well, I want to tell you about one of the amazing platform that is relabeled by Unacademy, where you can get your dream job in just 15 days. All you need is relevant skill set. If you have the same, then you can see amazing companies, product based, as well as a startup like as Red, Meesho, Yatra, Paytm, Upgrade. They are going to hire you on the basis of your skill set. Right, so just click here and you can see there are multiple domains here, right? So according to your interest, you can choose the domain like is business analytics, data analytics, business development, front end development, back end development. So if you're interested in back end development, just go for it. Now you can even try out 3 sample papers to access your skills for the test. All you need is just 150 marks in the first phase to qualify for the second phase. After the second phase, a 700 plus school land you with interviews, job opportunities, and some amazing relabel swag. And also relabel tests are free of cost, no hidden charges. They guarantee packages of more than 4 LPA for non-tech roles and 6 LPA for tech roles. And the most suitable thing is that there is no age limit. If you are 18 plus, you can attempt the relabel test to get a 50% hike for your next job in the best product-based company. So this platform is not just for fresher, but for experience as well. So guys, what are you waiting for? The link for the registration is given in the description itself. Do the registration, attempt the test, and get placed in your dream company. So as you can see, job title they're going to offer is Junior Test Automation Engineer. Eligibility is 2020 and 2021 graduates only. Coming to the education qualifications, so they have specified BE, BTech, ME, MTech, any branch, MCA and MSc computers graduates with minimum of 60% academic scores from grade 10th to highest graduation. Experience they have specified is 0 to 12 months. It means if you're just a fresher or even holding some experience as well, from 0 to 12 months, they have specified with relevant training or work experience on testing tools using Java Selenium. Job location, they have specified any of the EPAM India offices, Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Gurugram. Training location is clearly going to be the Hyderabad. Hiring process is 1 round of online coding assessment followed by technical and HR interview. More details will be shared in further emails to the eligible candidates. Salary they're going to offer is 6 lakhs per annum plus standard benefits. Click or view job description. So here they have provided a link to know more about the job role and all. So you can just go through it. Online coding assessment date, they have clearly specified it is going to be Wednesday, 3 November 2021. Joining date is going to be December 21 or Jan 22. Trainings will be conducted for offered candidates for first 2 to 3 months at Hyderabad office. In case office is reopened and lockdown is lifted due to COVID-19, else online training will be over Microsoft Teams. Further details will be shared with eligible students after selection and offer. All eligible candidates will receive online coding assessment link on their registered email ID. Candidates who clear first round will receive further details on technical and HR round of interviews. All the selected and offered candidates will be allocated to testing practice as a junior test automation engineer. So registration is going to be closed on 1st of November 2021. So make sure to do the registration before this. So do it fast, guys. Monday 12 p.m. it is going to be closed. So this is a simple form given where you have to provide your details like its full name, email ID, mobile number, gender, your college name, qualification, other information as well that they have asked for. So make sure to fill the form properly and yeah, okay. Coming to our next opportunity, that is from Google. So this opportunity is for 2022 batch. Software Engineer University graduate 2022 start. So minimum qualification is specified is bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience working with Unix, Linux, Windows or Mac environments, distributed systems, machine learning, information retrieval, and TCP/IP experience programming in C, C++, Java or Python. Preferred qualification they have asked for is master's degree or PhD. About the job, they have provided certain relevant points as well, that Google software engineer developed the next generation technology that change how billions of users connect, explore, and interact with information and one another. Our products need to handle information at massive scale and extend well beyond web search. We are looking for engineers who bring fresh ideas from all areas, including information retrieval, distributed computing, large scale systems. So everything has been mentioned. Coming to the responsibilities to research, conceive, and develop software application to extend and improve on Google's product offering, contribute to a wide variety of projects utilizing natural language processing, artificial intelligence, collaborate on scalability issues involving access to massive amounts of data and information. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Xperi. Xperi is hiring. So about Xperi, they have given certain points that Xperi events develops and delivers technology that enables extraordinary experience. We make entertainment more entertaining and smart devices smarter, from the home to the car to everywhere in between, managing content and connections in a way that is smart, immersive, and personal. Our culture. So regarding this also, they have provided certain points. Now coming to the employer benefits, so they have mentioned is health benefits, retirement options, charity match, professional development classes, volunteer opportunities, team building outings, life insurance, tuition reimbursement, education assistance, reimbursements, that is broadband, fitness, company incentive plan. CTC they're gonna offer is 8,20,000 LPA. Location is going to be Pune. Candidate from bachelor's degree in computer science, BSc, BE, BTech, and ME, MTech in computer science can apply. CGPI 8 and batch 20 and 21 is eligible for this opportunity. Further, they have specified that who we are looking for. So we are looking for a candidate who is having good attitude and skills in learning new technologies and add value by being productive with little assistance. He or she needs to be a self-starter and should be able to learn the domain without spoon feeding. Bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field, a strong understanding of following, that is Puppet, Docker, Ansible, Prometheus, Isinga, shell scripting, Golang, Foreman, IPA, Salt, Consul, Nomad. Certain things they have mentioned, and ability to troubleshoot and chase down problems in complex interconnected system, willingness to investigate new tools and technologies, competency in one or more scripting languages such as shell scripting, Python, etc. Basic knowledge of version control using Git, basic knowledge and experience of CI/CD pipeline, excellent analytical and troubleshooting skills, strong work ethic, and excellent verbal and written communication skills. They have a specified project description as well. Well, we won't be discussing too much in the video itself. The link is provided in the description, so you can check the link. You can read all the relevant information. Coming to the job purpose, so candidate will be part of the SRE team, and she will be closely working with other engineering groups like platform, media, BI, client to understand the deployment, monitoring requirements. Here's what you get to do. So candidate will be a part of SRE team, where she will be working as associate engineer doing deployments, assess new technology, understanding system, and looking for improvements, if any, using and exploring all deployed DevOps tools and technologies in system. So about selection process, they have mentioned is there will be an online test, technical interview, HR discussion. Important guidelines will also be provided that online test date and time will be updated to the registered candidates. After test, shortlisted candidates must be available for a further online interview process. Candidates should be available for immediate joining. So here they have provided a simple form that you have to fill. Make sure to check your details before submitting the form so that there's no mistake from your side. Right, so now we'll be talking about our last opportunity, that is from CGI. So CGI is basically hiring for the role of associate system engineer. This is an off-campus drive, as you can see right now. City they have specified is Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Coming to the position description, so they are looking someone from 0 to 2 years of experience. So if you are just a fresher, you can apply this opportunity. If you are having some experience even, then also you can apply for this opportunity. Basic knowledge on operating system you need, good understanding of space management, Index space fragmentation, should possess knowledge on security and auditing procedures, communicate effectively, verbal and written, and clearly within the team and with all the stakeholders, basic knowledge on IT, IR process, flexible to work on 24/7, rotational shifts. Coming to the required qualification, any graduate with 50+% of marks, 2021 and 2020 pass out is eligible for this opportunity, as they have clearly mentioned. Location can be Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, or Mumbai. Skills needed is database. So what you can expect from us is certain points they have provided. Just go through it, and if you are interested in this opportunity, make sure to apply for it. One more thing, guys, do share the video among your friends as well, or whoever is eligible for these opportunities, so that even they can know about these opportunities. It is going to help them out, and definitely for making all these kind of videos, our main motive is just to help you out in knowing about the opportunities. Do apply for them and definitely get placed in them as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye.